In this training video, I want to show you step by step how affiliate marketing works with a front end high ticket product and how that can lead to buying all the upsells and all the upgrades. And I'm going to show you step by step how with affiliate marketing you can earn 100% commissions. Okay, so normally when it comes to affiliate marketing, when you're promoting someone else's product, what happens is you're earning anywhere from 5% to 50%, even sometimes 75% commission. You don't get 100% commission. The reason is because it's not your product. Okay, so the vendor is paying you a cut from his own money. I'm going to show you how I have done this myself as an affiliate promoting someone else's product and how I have been able to earn 100% commission. So I'm going to show you step by step the affiliate marketing method, promoting front end low ticket product which boosts your conversion rate. I'm going to show you how to qualify to earn 100% commission. So even though it's not your product, but you're still making 100% of the sale, all that money is coming to you. And then number 3, I'm going to show you quickly how to create a quick paid traffic campaign, start driving some traffic to this to your affiliate offer. And also I'm going to show you how to promote the low ticket product, okay, so you get better conversion. So we're talking about a product that's going to be priced from $7 to $12. So if someone buys it, most likely people will buy it if you have good quality traffic, because the product is very, very cheap. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so for this purpose, we're going to talk about a network called Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a network that has thousands of products, and the product price, front end price, is very, very low. And the reason being it's low is because that's how Warrior Plus works. And because it's low, the conversion rate is very, very high. Okay, so if you promote a Warrior Plus product and you get quality traffic, most likely you're going to make a commission. Potentially you're going to see a sale and a commission on the front end because of the price point. Okay, now a lot of people ignore this because they want to make like $200, $300, $500 days. They want to see those big days, and they believe that it's like impossible to promote Warrior Plus products and making that type of money. That's not the truth. Okay, the truth is that when you promote a Warrior Plus product, the front end offer turns the customer a freebie into a buyer. Once he becomes a buyer, most people will end up buying all the upsells and the upgrades. So that one product that was selling for like $7, where you just made like $3 commission, you end up making anywhere from $200 to $500 commission, $500 in commissions. Okay, so just because the front end product is a very cheap price and a low price, that shouldn't put you off thinking, okay, this is not going to work, this is not my type because of this reason. Just promote the product, get traffic, because that traffic will lead to buying the upsells and the upgrades, and you will end up making $300, $400, and even $500. Okay, so let's dive into this video and let me show you how to find a product and then how to quickly drive traffic. So first of all, you're going to go to affiliates. You're going to go to offers, and when it comes to Warrior Plus, you need to remember one thing, is that when it comes to Warrior Plus offers, you will have to actually request approval. Okay, it's not auto approved just like ClickBank. Okay, so you can see here there are so many products I'm not even approved yet. So first of all, you want to look at the sale volume. Okay, the first thing you need to look is for the release date. You want to make sure it's the latest product. You don't want to promote anything that's older than like 2 years. Okay, sales, you want to look, it has to be a lot of sales. Okay, 1,000 plus, and more important is the conversion rate and the refund rate. So you can see here this product has generated over 1,000 plus sales, 12% conversion rate. That means out of every 100 people visited this website link, 12 of those people purchased the product, and the refund rate is extremely low, it's 2%, which is very, very good. Okay, so that's a good criteria for me to promote this product. Okay, so I'm going to promote this product myself. But if you want to promote any other product you believe, what you want to do is you just want to click on request. Okay, and when you click on request, you're going to click here again, request approval, and then down here you're going to leave a simple message saying, hey, I am interested in promoting your product. It will be appreciated if you can approve me, something like that down the line, and then he will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours whether he will approve you or refuse it. Okay, now when it comes to promoting product, if you want to look at the products, how much commission you're going to get paid, what's the price point, then you could just click on products. Then you could just come here and you could check. So the price point is this. The front end offers $27, upsell 47, another upsell 127, and another upsell 47. This is the commission you're going to get paid, 50%. One of them is 65 and 35. You could check the sales page, which is very, very recommended. Just click on the sales page, check the sales page, making sure everything is looking good. And if you're ready to promote a product, you're going to see something like this. So if I click on get, if I just come to this product here, I'm already approved for this product. Okay, so if I want to promote this product, I just have to copy this link here. This is my affiliate link. I need to drive some traffic. Every time someone purchases the product, I earn commission. Now this product has a lot of upsells, so if you come here products, you can see here that they're paying me 50% commission. Okay, and they have so many upsells down here. So here's the price point, here's the commission. Okay, now if you want to get some boost and you want some help and tips in promoting the product, like you want some banners, media buys, email swipes, you could just scroll down. You could go to the View JV page and you could find all the affiliate tools for you to promote this product. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now, how do you earn 100% commissions? Like you see, this product down here is going to pay me 50% commission. Okay, 50% commission. So I can't see anywhere here that they are going to actually boost my commission. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back. And then I'm going to click on all offers. I'm going to click on approved only. Okay, this will require a bit of time. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to scroll down and then you want to find a product. So here's one of the products I'm already approved for. So I'll look at this. I'm going to show you. If you come here, you can see I am qualified to earn 100% commission on this product, even though this is not my product. How did I do that? Here's what I do. Here's how to. First of all, you want to promote a product. Okay, you want to earn a couple of commissions, and once you have earned a couple of commissions, then there are two ways to boost your commission. One is you contact the vendor saying, hey, I've generated a couple of sales for you. If you can give me a bump, it will be appreciated. Now, most people will not give you a bump. Okay, I'm telling you the truth. The best way to do it is, what you do is, you come here, okay, where is it? Okay, you come here, you purchase the front end product, which is going to cost you anywhere from $7 to $17, and then you skip all the upsells until you come to this upsell here. Most products will have an upsell saying like reseller license or reseller. Okay, you want to purchase that upsell. Once you purchase that upsell, they will bump your commission, boost your commission to 100%. And that's what I do. I will first promote the product. If I see that I'm generating sales, is converting very, very good for me, then I will come, purchase the front end offer, skip all the upsells and come to this upsell here and purchase this upsell. So I can boost my commissions for 50% to 100%, continue to promote the product, earn 100% commission on every sale. This way, every time I promote a product, I end up making anywhere from $200 to $600. This is how you boost your commissions and take it to 100%. But remember, before doing any of this, make sure you promote the product as normal to see if it's going to convert or not. If you don't do that and you just decide to purchase the product and purchase the upsell, and then you start promoting and you don't make any sales, you just lost money. You remember that. So how do you drive traffic? So one of the traffic we're going to talk about is this one down here. Okay, now you can create your free account, okay, with this traffic source, and when you do, you're going to get messages. You can even message me with your landing page and I will do a review for you. So let's just look into this traffic source and what is the important key that you need to look into this traffic. So what is this traffic? This traffic is email traffic. Every time you purchase traffic, someone's going to send an email on your behalf to the entire list of subscribers, and you're going to get clicks and you're going to get leads and potential sales. Okay, so let's just look into this person here. As you can see, this person was seen 21 minutes ago, and you could see he's a very responsive seller. And if you don't understand what this all means, you just want to hover your mouse here and then it will explain everything what this means. The important number is these two numbers here. This one means that a lot of people have reported that they have generated sales with this traffic, and 30% means repeated customers. You want to scroll down and then you want to click on prime filter. You want to click on only top tier English speaking countries, and you want to start off with minimum 500 clicks. Okay, 500 clicks. Okay, you want to start off with 500 clicks. Now obviously in the beginning you're not going to make any money, all right? That's how it works. It's all about risk. So what you want to do is you might make 1 or 2 sales, but that's more than enough to prove that yes, this traffic converts, this is a good person sending traffic. So once we see that we generated 1 to 2 sales, then we're going to come back here and we're going to buy 1,000 clicks. Okay, and then if we generated sales again, then we're going to buy 2,000 clicks, and if you generated sales again, then we're going to buy 3,000 clicks. This is how you scale your business with a never giving up attitude. Okay, now when it comes to generating sales, we're not looking to make profit. We are just looking to make 1 or 2 sales to prove that yes, this person's traffic is very good, he's got buyers and he's got a responsive list, and I can scale my business. What does that mean? That means that if you didn't make any money, does that mean that you wasted money? No. Remember, our focus is list building. What is list building? List building means sending traffic to a normal squeeze page to capture people's email addresses so you can build a subscriber list. I have spoke about this in very much details in my previous videos. Make sure you check it out. Stay tuned for that, because I will be coming up with some brand new videos on this with new traffic sources, new ways to build a list, and how to build easy squeeze pages within a couple of minutes. So you want to build a list because that's where the money is. Our focus is list building, because the bigger list you have, potentially you can make more money. So even if you didn't make any sale, that's okay, because we're building a list, and once people come into our list, then we have an option to promote different products, different systems, and different opportunities. Okay, then you want to scroll down, and then you want to put your link in here. This is where you're going to put your landing page URL. You could even do direct linking, send traffic directly to your Warrior Plus offers, but I don't recommend that, because if you don't make any sale, you just lost $371 out of nowhere. But if you're building a list and you didn't make any sale, you didn't lose any money, you got subscribers, you can promote product to them, you can do coaching with them, webinars, anything like that. Okay, you want to scroll down, and which is one of the most important part that I look into when it comes to buying traffic is this here. You can see here, got sales, got sales, got sales. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, I want 5 different people saying got sales in the last 30 days, so I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, so this person goes according to my criteria. 5 different people saying got sales, so I am going to buy traffic from this person. So this is the criteria to buy traffic, quality traffic, and find out who has the quality list. You could also add him as a friend. You could also send him messages, okay, with your landing page, telling what do you think about this landing page, etc, etc. So this is how you buy traffic. So in this video, what I showed you was Warrior Plus offers, okay, with the front end offer, low price offer, how to bump your commissions to 100%, and how to drive traffic. Stay tuned, and stay tuned for my on my channel, because I'm gonna teach you in my future videos how to drive traffic with pennies, okay, penny clicks. I'm going to show you some traffic sources where you can get traffic for pennies, so stay tuned for that.